Assalamu alaikum friends, I say a very warm welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel. I hope you guys will be happy wherever you are and will be with my channel. So today I have brought for you very cute and beautiful stand ideas for indoor plants, so that you guys never lag behind anyone in decorating your house. So please enjoy this video. Whatever plants are kept inside the house, basically we need a stand for them, and nowadays new designs of stands keep coming. So with a lot of hard work, I have brought for you very cute stand ideas. With this, you can make your house very cute and beautiful by keeping a beautiful stand in your house. And we also need indoor plants because artificial flowers are very expensive in the market nowadays. So whatever indoor plants are there, their price is very low. But their beauty is much more than artificial plants. So that's why we can give a very cute and beautiful look to our house by keeping indoor plants in our house, due to which our house looks very cute. For this, we just need indoor plants whose design is very good, very trending. And that's why I have brought these stand ideas for you today. You can keep these stands of indoor plants in the living room. You can keep them in any corner of the house. Some of these designs you will find in the side corner, and some designs will be found placed on the front. And some designs of stands you can keep in your bedroom. As you like, as you want to get a stand made in your house. So by seeing these designs you will get an idea that what kind of design you can make in your house and make your house very beautiful. So please watch the video till the end. Do not skip because you will definitely like some design in it, after seeing which you will like to make it in your house. So, as always, just a small request to you people that those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon so that you never skip any video and you never lag behind in decorating your house. As always, you are going to like this video very much. See how cute and small stands have been made. 4 to 5 flowers can easily fit in each stand. Flower pots can be put in. Now it is according to your taste. Which indoor plant do you bring to your house? Which plant do you like? By planting these plants, you can make the atmosphere of your house very clean. Because among all the indoor plants, there are some plants that keep the air of our house clean. And some indoor plants have a lot of fragrance, due to whose fragrance, the whole house is filled with a mild fragrance and we feel fresh all the time. So my advice to all of you is that you should decorate your house with original plants instead of artificial plants. This will save our money and our house will also be decorated very nicely. In today's era, Every person needs to do as per our wish, but we cannot stay behind in decorating our house. So for this, you must use indoor plants. So you guys please give me permission. I will meet you in another new very cute video. Till then please give me permission. Allah Hafiz. See you soon.